Hello, I'm Timothy and I'm going to show you in this short video another one of LessonUp's great AI tools. This time we're going to have a look at Summarise Lesson. And you go to AI tools as before, and I'll say as before, this could be your first video, but you go to AI tools, Summarise Lesson, click on that. And here's one I made earlier. So this is a publicly available lesson. I can paste that in and paste that lesson in there. Then we can say we want a bullet point list. We can even specify the number if we want to. Bullet point list, put it at the top there, 10 bullet point list, let's say like that. We can change the language. We have all of these different options here. We have other, and we can specify what other language we want. But let's stick with English UK. And now we have our 10 bullet points. So we can customize this as much as we want to. In my case, I'd have students who might be anxious if they'd missed a lesson through no fault of their own and would like a really detailed summary of what happened. Obviously I could provide them with materials as well, but I could actually put an email for students who missed the lesson. And I used to have to do this quite a bit sometimes. Anyway, create the summary. Let's have a look at what it comes out with. And so this is actually a really detailed one. It's maybe too detailed for an email, but we could actually do this. We can put a short email for students who missed the lesson. So we can really customize this to whatever you want, but the speed of it is fantastic, isn't it? So that's really useful, and that can actually make a real difference as well, and really importantly save you a lot of time. As with everything, when it's AI output, always double check it, always make sure that the information's accurate. You're the expert, you're the teacher, so you can judge that, you can copy it. There's nothing that says you've got to take it all at face value. Obviously look at it, use your judgment. But you can see there's lots of time to be saved with this really useful generator of resources there. And the other great thing, the AI tools and the new editor, is you can actually do it from within the new editor itself on this one. So if I go to one, this is a PowerPoint I've converted, and I can go to, actually I'll just unclick that. I can click on the little robot, and we've got AI tools here. And we have, what have we got in here? We have Summarise Lesson right at the bottom. So we can actually put this lesson is already in here. I can then say, again, let's just do bullet point list again there as well. Our summary of the lesson. And there we go. So we have it in this handy side panel as well. If you don't want to go through the other way of doing it with the AI tools on that grid there on that actual main page, we've got the summary here already. So that's really useful. Again, with all of these things, always check it, always check the content for accuracy, because you're the teacher, you're in charge with it. But all that remains to be said is give it a try. I'm sure you're going to find it useful. I'm sure you're going to find it will save you loads of time in lots of different contexts. So enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.